Hey, what's going on, everybody? Quick little shop update today. Got a couple things going in on this GTI. Got the Pathfinder here that we've been doing all the videos on. Got the axle painted, steering on. Everything's going back together for the final assembly. Have the winch and everything in there. Just need to finish wiring some things up. Big one of the day is this rail is going home. We did get the motor installed, redid the whole rear cage section, as you can see here. Built motor mounts, built exhaust hanger, built intake mount off the motor mount there. Come around here to the other side. Same thing, built motor mount on this side. Everything's in there solid. We did get this bracket hanging for the top of the trans mounts. I was going to try to put a different fuel cell up in here. Let me get my tool out of there. But the fuel cell he wants to go with is this little tiny one that doesn't really fit in there. So, but he's picking up the car, so he's gonna figure that out. He said that he can do some fabrication stuff himself, so he says he's gonna continue to build the car himself. He just needed me to do the harder things. So, but yeah, we completely went through this whole chassis. It was solid rust. Like you can see here, kind of, those are in the shade, but you can see these little spots here, how the whole chassis used to be just orange and rusted and thick and nasty. So you can see the difference there between the clean, shiny. We sanded down the entire frame, capped a couple of these pipe ends that were just open, grounded down and re-welded 80-85% of every weld on this whole chassis. They were pretty bad. We were gonna get the seats installed, and then we were gonna start adding B-pillars and seatbelt bars and tie the cage all in a little bit better. But he's pulling the plug and he's taking it home. So he wants to save up some money for a little bit. He did say he might bring it back once he does a couple things himself. He says he might bring it back. He gets a little bit more money in his pocket and try to finish up the car, do a couple more things. So we'll see if it comes back. I hope it does. It's a pretty cool build. I was looking forward to it. We were supposed to panel the sides, mount all the steering column, mount the radiator in the back, mount the fuel cell. Like, we were supposed to completely complete this car. So hopefully it does come back. I'd like to see through and finish what I started here. So, but it's all good. There will be more. Hopefully it comes back. If not, we'll have other stuff in here. So that's that. Next project coming in is this wrecked Dodge Viper. I did start filming some videos on it. The whole front end here is gone. I did start I believe video 1, just talking about it. We're gonna basically finish cutting off the rest of the front end. We're gonna build a tube chassis front end, and we do have a Corvette cantilever Corvette system, which is kind of overgrown in the weeds here. Can't really even see it, but that's gonna go in there. So this car is pretty cool. Oh, batteries are dead. So, but yeah, that one's gonna come in here. We're gonna finish cutting this other half off. We're gonna build a full tube front end, kind of like a drift car, race car. So then we'll mount body panels, put the motor in, do everything. So that should hopefully be a complete car once it's rolling out of here. So, but that's gonna be a wrap for a quick little update. this rail's going home, so I guess till the next time if it comes back. Got to dig some of the parts out of the attic here that we were tucking out of the way until we needed them. So, but thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll keep you updated on the rest of them. Peace out. Have a good day.